Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D practice model in Autodesk Inventor software. In this tutorial we will learn the basic commands used in Autodesk Inventor. So let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take the 2D sketch and we'll construct from top plane. So select the YZ plane. So it will be the top plane. Rotate. Now go to circle command and here make a circle. Okay, go to dimension. Here give the dia as 12 mm. Okay, the distance from center point will be of 35 mm. Now escape. Now you can see this point, it's in a moving state, so make it constraint. Go to horizontal constraint, select the center point and select center point of circle. So this will be horizontally aligned. Now go to line command. From here make one line, escape, go to line command once again, make one more line over here. Now escape. Now go to dimension, give the angle between these two lines as 22 degree. Now go to line, make a center line here, join this, escape, select this line, make it a construction geometry. Now go to dimension, define this angle as 11 degree. Okay, so this will be in a proportion, this also will become 11 degree. Now escape. Now go to tangent constraint, select this circle and select this line. Similarly select this circle and select this line. Okay, so this is defined. Escape. Now go to line command. From this point make a straight line and escape. Go to line. Here go to the coincident constraint, select this midpoint and select this line. Now escape. Now we will trim the extra properties. So these are the extra lines. So go to trim command, trim this profile, trim this profile. Here we don't have anything to trim. Now escape. Okay, so this will be the profile. Now go to 3D model, take the extrude command, select this profile and select this circle also. Here take the extrude distance as 22 mm, rotate. Okay, so this will be a one directional extrude, so we will take direction 1 only and okay. Now go to 2D sketch and this time we will take origin as the XY plane. Select XY plane, so it will construct a new sketch. Go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Now go to sketch again, go to line command. From here make one line and join till this center point. Now escape. Now go to dimension. From base this point will be at a distance of 6 mm and the angle here will be of 112 degree. Okay, go to line command, make outer profile till here and join here. Now go to dimension, define this height as 20 mm. Okay, and escape. Select this projected profiles, so select this yellow line and select this yellow line, make them construction. Okay, only the lines which we have made will remain in the solid form. Select this line, make it construction. Now go to 3D model, take revolve command. Here we will revolve this profile. For axis selection select this, go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Here we will take a cut profile, so go to cut. So it will cut this profile and okay. Okay, so this will be the profile. Now here a circular profile has been cut, so we will make a whole profile over here on this radius. So first we will make a new plane. For plane there are two options. So first we will go to axis and select this outer profile. So it will construct a axis at center point. Now go to plane, select this axis, and here we will select the XY plane. So it will construct a new plane at 90 degree from XY plane. Press OK. Now select this plane, go to create sketch, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Now go to sketch, take the line command. From bottom, make one line, make a counter bore profile and till here. Okay. Now escape. Now here go to dimension. Select this total dimension as 15 mm and this height will be of 4 mm. Here this dia will be of 4 and this one will be of 4.5 by 2.25. Okay. Now go to 3D model, revolve, select this profile to revolve and the axis will be, this axis will be the revolve axis. Now go to cut, go to view, visual style, shade the edges. So this will be the cut profile. Now press OK. Now rotate the profile. So this will be the cut profile over here. Now we will switch off the visibility of plane 1. Select this plane 1, right click, turn off the visibility. Similarly, select this axis, right click, turn off the visibility. Okay. Now go to circular pattern, select all the profiles or you can select the pattern solid. For axis, go to rotation axis and for axis we will take the y axis. Here you can see the multiple profiles are being made. So here we will take a count of 3 and okay. Okay. Now a circular profile is being made here. So we will take the XZ plane, go to create sketch, go to circle command. From this center point, make a circle of dia 22. Go to 3D model, extrude, and here the circle is made here. So select this circle, select this hole also, and extrude it up to height of 22 mm. Here we will take join and okay. Okay. Now select this top face, go to create sketch, and here take the circle command once again. From center point, make circle of 16 mm. Go to 3D model, extrude. This time we will take cut of 22 mm and okay. Okay. So this will be the profile, a through cut. Now select this edge, go to fillet, take here a fillet of radius 22, rotate, select this edge, rotate and select the last edge, this edge and apply. Okay. So this will be the radius, exit. Now go to fillet, take here a radius of 1 mm, go to edge selection, select this edge, select this edge, rotate and select this bottom edge, rotate and okay. Okay. Now here you can see we have given two different colors. So go to part 2. Here first we will give the color to whole body with blue wall paint glossy, and for radius we have defined the feature defined color. Select fillet 2, and here we will select the color as light red. Okay, so you can change the view to make it look more realistic. From here, go to view, turn on the shadow, and turn on the reflections. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a basic 3D model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you liked the video. If you do that, please do it. Hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.